Hello everyone, this is Priyanka Avasthi. Welcome back to your own channel Maths in Minutes. In today's video, we will be discussing about factorization. What is factorization? Factorization deals with factors. In our junior classes, we must have learned about taking out the factors of some number. Suppose 16 we have to factorize. Then we write 2 into 8. 8 further factorized. Then we write 4 into 2. Where 4 can be further factorized and we can write 2 into 2. That means in algebra also factorization means the same thing. Let's understand this factorization with the help of example. Suppose I have 4x square and 10xy. There are these two numbers. Now what maximum thing we can take out common from these two terms? That means we have to find out the HCF. In other words, 4x square is there, 10xy is there. If we talk about this numeric value, we can take out 2 common because 2 is a factor of 4 also and 10 also, and it is the factor. We have to find out the highest factor. Then if we talk about x, it has x square and it has x. That means maximum x can be taken out. And after taking out common, in this bracket we will be left with 2x, and in this we will be left with 5y. So this is the main thing that we have to do in the factorization. Let's understand that with the help of example. It is 7a minus 35ab. Suppose this is an algebraic expression. Now what we can take out common? 7 we can take out, as 7 is the highest factor of 7, and 35 also. 7 is a factor of 35 also, and we prefer the highest number. We prefer the highest factor of both the terms. Now 7 I have taken common. It has a, it has ab, so a can be taken out. Now after taking out 7a common, we are left with 1 in this term. Minus will come here. 7 5s are 35 and a has been taken out already, so b will be coming here, and this becomes the answer. Let us solve another example. Now we have to factorize this expression. Then let's see what can be taken out common. If we see the numbers first, 3, 9 and 6. 3 can be taken out common. So we write 3 over here. Here we have a square, AB and A. That means A can be taken out common. After taking out 3A common, in this first term we are left with A. In the second term we are left with 3B. Third term we are left with 2, and here is our answer. Factorization is very simple. In 1 and or 2 step maximum we can get the answer. If we talk about this question, in this question we have this as first term and this as second term. In these both the terms, what we can take out common? Let's see first the numbers. Here it is 15, here it is 20. 5 can be taken out common. And now here we have x and here we have y, so leave that. In bracket we have a plus 2b raised to the power 2 and a plus 2b. That means a plus 2b can be taken out common. Right, now after taking out common we are left with 3x here, and since it was a square and we have taken out only 1, so a plus 2b will be coming here. Minus sign will be written over here. 20 was written here, 5 we have taken common, so 4y will be left, and since a plus 2b is written entirely we have taken out, so this becomes the answer. If you want to solve it further, you can multiply this inside and answer will be 6xb minus 4y. What about this type of question in which we do not have anything common in the entire expression? In such cases, see, if we talk about entire expression, we cannot take out anything common from the entire expression. So we break the terms, right? Now I have grouped this together and this together. I will work separately for these two terms. There is no hard and fast rule that you have to pick up first two terms, second two term. I can go with this term and this term together, this term and this term together. We will get the same answer. So it's human nature. We will move from the left hand side only. So it is ABX and here it is ABY. So if we talk about these two terms only, AB is common and we are left with X plus Y. Right. Now if we talk about this term, these two terms, in these two terms plus of BC can be taken out common and we are left with X plus Y or Y plus X, which is same thing. Now again we have this term and this term. In both the terms again we have X plus Y as common, taken out X plus Y common, then we are left with AB plus BC, which is the answer. Last but not the least, let us come to this question. In this expression we cannot take the things common in the entire expression together. Now if we try to group, we cannot take out common in these two terms, right? Now so we have to shift here and there and make adjustment. I have already told there is no hard and fast rule to make the pairs. We work according to our intellect. Right. Now x square minus xy I have taken together plus 6y minus 6x I have taken together. Now if I talk about these two terms, x can be taken out common, x minus y will be left. Now very important thing, in this x minus y is coming here, so here also we want x minus y, so we have to adjust. We are going to take 6 common of minus, right? So we will, when we will take minus 6 common, then sign of this bracket will change, then it will be minus y plus of x. If we would have taken plus 6 common, then y minus x would have been came, which is not required. We want x minus y, x of positive, y of negative. This can only come when we take minus 6 outside. So this point has to be taken care. Right. Now we can take out x minus y out and x minus 6 will be left. So this will be our answer. Concepts of factorization is clear to you. We will be studying the further topics of the factorization in our next video. So please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon beside that to get my latest videos update. So thank you so much for watching my video.